What's up guys, new machine and of course new video, and this time I have for review amazing 3D printer from Chinese company FOKOOS. Okay, FOKOOS Odin-5 printer is more or less the same when we speak about design and the construction. As you can see on the top of the device, it has the filament holder, which is in 99% the same thing with other printers with this kind of design. On the front side of the machine itself we have a touchscreen for using the machine itself. On the right side we have SD card slot and USB port, and on other side we have power cord connector and power on off switch. So basically that's it about the construction and design of the printer. The build quality of this machine is good. Every part is made from aluminum. It is solid construction, very solid machine, and during the printing process everything is stable, no problems over there. And about the design, it's just me. I don't know about you. You can tell me in the comments, but this yellow plastic is really cool effect on the machine, and because of that I really like this FOKOOS 3D printer. So take a look a little more about this machine, how it looks. Talking about accessories and the user manual, I must admit this is really the first 3D printer which has a very good organization about accessories. So basically, as you can see, all accessories will come in this white box, which are separately separated in the small boxes, and in each box there are some accessories like power cable, some tools, some small spare parts. Everything is well organized, and I really like it. This is actually the first printer which has some good organization about accessories. And basically you are going to receive quick start guide, but also the user manual for this 3D printer from Chinese company FOKOOS, and everything is very well explained, including the images and what you need to do to start printing. The user manual is available on several languages, so don't worry about that. Besides user manual, as you can see, you are going to receive many different tools like this. So basically you are going to receive everything you need to have and more for printing. Let's see, for example, this for cleaning, USB cable, some spare parts, USB flash drive with the SD card. So basically everything you need to have for your printer. And that's fine about that. So in the next few minutes I am going to talk more about this printer, so stay tuned. When we speak about assembly process, this machine is one of easiest one which I have owned in the past. Basically, it takes less than 1 minute to assemble this 3D printer, which is actually amazing, really amazing. On their website, it clearly says it is 99% pre-assembled 3D printer, and this is actually the truth, because when you remove the box and when you put your 3D printer on the table, only things you need to do is connect this flat cable over here, and the second flat cable goes there. So basically you need to connect two flat cables, and after that you need to screw these screws over there, because this complete part is foldable. When these screws are not connected, it is over there, and when you remove from the box the printer, you need to put it in the proper position like this, and then two screws you need to screw it over there on the left side, and the same thing you need to do on the right side. So basically the assemble process takes less than 1 minute, because you need to connect two flat cables and 4 screws, and then 2 screws for the filament holder, and that's it. So basically filament holder, 2 screws and 4 screws for this part, and 2 flat cables. So in my case it took me less than 1 minute, and the printer is ready to use. So if you're not experienced user, or you don't want to waste time on assemble process, then this FOKOOS printer is a great choice for you. So basically this is the touchscreen of this 3D printer from Chinese company FOKOOS. Actually it is more or less the same like on any other 3D printer. In any case, it has different user interface, so it has different designs of icons and something else. So basically I like to show you what are possibilities and what you can do with this user interface besides the printing process itself. So basically this icon which says printing is for printing. Basically when you insert the SD card or you connect printer with USB cable, clicking on the printing icon, you can select what file you want to start print. On the right side we have tool icon. Over there we can do leveling process, we can load or unload the filament. Same thing with extrusion, we can move the printer in any direction, and of course we can start preheating process to start printing or something else. On the settings icon we can do Wi-Fi settings, but we need to have a Wi-Fi module. fan settings, machine settings, we can turn off the motor, and of course we have a language. And as you can see, it has several different languages from Chinese, Deutsch, English, Russian. So on every language is available, the user interface. And let's see what we see on about. And as you can see, it says FOKOOS Odin-5 F3. This is the name of this 3D printer and the version of the firmware. So basically you can see the user interface is very simple and everyone can go through every settings to start printing, leveling, change language or some other settings. So overall you can see it's quite simple to use this machine. So basically stay tuned. In the next few minutes I'm going to show you more information about this interesting 3D printer. I can freely say that FOKOOS Odin-5 3D printers is actually a very good machine because you can print high quality models with just normal settings, like in this case. So basically I have printed this creature and I am very curious. Please tell me in the comments, what do you think, what kind of creature is this, and do you like this 3D printed module? So basically, as I said, you can expect good quality 3D printing with this machine, and if you make even better settings, you can expect better results. But with normal settings, the printing quality is amazing, and because of that, this machine FOKOOS Odin-5 can be used also for professional purpose, but also for average user. Overall, I am very satisfied with the printing quality, and from what you can see, the quality is really amazing. No problems at all during the printing process. So I'm curious, please tell me in the comments, what do you think, what kind of creature is this? Whoa! Basically, this is what you will get on USB flash drive, or in other words, these are all files from USB flash drive. So basically, even on USB flash drive you have installation guide, user manual, some other resources, test file, quick guide, everything you need to do to start printing. But most important, FOKOOS company have their own software, which is called FOKOOS Slicer, and you can use their slicer, but also you can use any other slicer like Ultimator Cura, which is most popular free program for slicing. So basically I have tried their slicer, and in this review I have used their slicer with standard settings. I'm going to show you how this program works and what basically it is. So when you install FOKOOS Slicer, it looks like this. You will see something similar to Ultimator Cura. First of all, you will notice that actually this is Ultimator Cura, but it is slightly modified. I mean, it is modified something in user interface like logos and some other designing stuff, but in the end this is actually the Ultimator Cura. So basically, if you have already used Ultimator Cura program, you know what are possibilities for settings like speed, quality, temperature, and other settings for printing. But if you're not advanced user, then this program from this slightly different modified program is good, because you don't need to add any printer, because they already have added the FOKOOS Odin-5 F3 machine, so you don't need to touch nothing about that. Even you can use recommended settings, but if you love to play with printing, then you can always change quality, shell, infill, printing speed, support, without support, and then when you're done, you just insert testing file, and you're good to go for printing. And that's it. Basically, this is about how to insert desired object for printing, what kind of settings you can do, and anything related. But if you have already seen Ultimator Cura, you know everything you need to know about how to start printing with this machine. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful with you. So overall, when I consider everything from ensemble process to printing quality, I can say that this 3D printer FOKOOS Odin-5 is amazing choice and great machine, because it does not cost too much, and at the same time it provides great build quality. It is 99% pre-assembled, so you don't need to take too much space for assemble this machine, and at the same time it offers great printing quality with high precision, and mostly it has many good features like for example direct drive, but also great touchscreen and overall great design. So if you're looking for good quality 3D printer, you should definitely consider FOKOOS Odin-5, and you can check in my video description where you can buy it at lowest price. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video. But if you already have 3D printer from Chinese company FOKOOS, please share your thoughts about it. and if you have any questions, please comment. Thank you, bye.